Okay, so in this video we'll try to see the text text processing example. Text processing example, and that's where we'll end this topic and we'll move to next topic. So what I'll do is I have opened a random news where some Indian MP who has by mistake opened the emergency door, and that's where he reported also. Just I want to do one thing. I think there will be some interesting insights here. So what I'll do is I'll just copy that and I'll try to create a text and I'll try to copy this entire thing. It will take some time for me to basically make it in that form. Okay, so this is again where we are here. Just bear with me, guys. I'll just be doing it and then I will be doing it and I'll go by the end. So you need not to worry, that's a beauty, right? That what is that? I'll just try to create a variable which has this. So good, so we have a lot of information here, right? So what we'll do, we'll count the frequency of words in the text. Okay, so we'll count the frequency of the word. So what we'll do, the count frequency of the words in text. So then word frequency equals to, we will be for word in text dot split. Guys, we remember, right? We have that function. Now this will convert this entire text into a list. Now if word in word frequency, will check whether it is there in the keys. If there, then what we'll do, word frequency dot that key word will increase by 1, else what we can do, we can do the word frequency, add this word as a key and assign 1. Okay, interestingly, by end of this we'll see that what is the word frequency look like for us. Let's see it. Wow, just how fast it has done us. Okay, so now let's see, there are many words which is having only one time. So yep, so that is what we can do. So what I can do, if filter, we can filter this value, right? So we can use filter and then lambda, and then we'll take okay, then it is a problem, right? Or we can take, yeah, x, if x is x, if x is greater than 2, for word dot values. Let's see what we get. Else 0. So there is something which has come 15 time also. What is that 15 time which has come? Where is that 15? Okay, so basically, yeah, we can do something about it. Yeah, so the which has come 15 times. Okay, so that's how I want to explain you how we can do about it. We can, get that what are how many numbers, what is a we can draw even a histogram of this. So you can look into the, find out code how we can do that. So something of that sort. So yeah, interesting, right? So we took a just sample random text and we know that which word is repeated how many times. So that's all for this video. See you in another video.